Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's see what are these cards. We have Lovers, Page of Cups, Four of Wands. Capricorn, in your situation today, guys, in your relationship, I see some kind of a celebration is coming towards you. Maybe you have found the right person you love. So, with this person, you have a great attraction. You both have that mutual love, respect, and caring for each other. And this person is someone with whom you have a great physical attraction. Maybe you are attracted to their beauty or charm and their personality. So there is a magnetic attraction between you both, and that is working in this connection, guys. That is bringing you both very close to each other. So, and I also see that this person and yourself, you have a great understanding, compatibility, and a deep connection. Maybe your communication with each other is really good, guys, and you both have, what to say, that clarity in your thought and actions. Maybe you really thought about this relationship, then you moved on towards this person. Maybe you are someone who wants clarity in any action. That may be the reason we see that energy here, and you think it out. Maybe you would have thought whether this person is the right person, whether things between you both will work for the better, and you were, what to say, gave it a thorough thought before moving in a deep connection with this person. And today I also see that there is some kind of a good news reaching you today, guys. This person is bringing some good news. Maybe you proposed to them, they were taking time to think and decide. Maybe today they have finally decided they want you and they are interested in this relationship and they are coming towards you. That may be the good news. Or they are themselves coming to propose to you. That may be the good news here. Or for some of you, I also see that this connection is moving to the next step, maybe engagement or marriage. So maybe if you are single, you are seeing someone coming towards you to propose to you, or if you are already in a relationship, you are moving towards marriage or engagement, some kind of a good news. Or maybe for some of you, it may be you are having a child together or planning to have a child together. So, some positive changes, some positive news is what I see for y'all, guys, Capricorn. And even in your career situation is really good, guys. There may be a good news in your work, or you may be moving towards some collaboration or partnerships that is going to give you a positive boost or push in your work situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are what to say, not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.